Come here, you little Banshee. Hi, I'm Matt and this is NotEnoughTECH. You probably know me under my different names like Lord of Lights, Kings of Curtains or Baron of Blinds. No, definitely Baron of Blinds. That doesn't sound so good. However, in this video, after this video, you can call me a wizard of vertical blinds because that's what we're going to talk about. I've got a Zemismart vertical blinds or chain controller which you can use on your blinds. Why am I looking at stuff like this? It's simple. If you want to automate lights in your home, you probably want to take a look at the strongest and the most persistent light there is. The power of the sun. And you can harness this power by controlling different window fixtures. From curtains, blinds to vertical blinds now. So what is it and how it works? Well, it's a glorified connected motor that makes things spin. It connects via Tuya app to your home automation system and you'll be able to use corresponding home skills to connect it with your smart speakers, which is great. So what is it like in use? First, I have to put it on the wall, which means I'm gonna have a couple of tips for you. First of all, it only takes a couple of minutes to get that installed, which is a huge benefit. Unless you are me, then it's gonna take you about 2 hours because first I had to disassemble my vertical blinds and put the chain link on the other side of the blinds because that was the side with power control. Unfortunately, this is a unit that requires a plug and put it back together, which was a complicated feat because the blinds itself are old and overly complicated. Use the associated template to fix the brackets to the wall. Don't worry, leave plenty of slack because you can adjust the actual tension of the chain link, which is brilliant. It was something I had to correct later because I've made that mistake and I've made mine super tight. So allow plenty of slack and you'll have no problems tensioning it later. There's actually surprisingly a lot of movement up and down that you can use to tension the chain. But before you're gonna start using it, you have to set the limits. To set it, just press and hold the middle button for a couple of seconds to enter the limit setting mode. Then navigate with arrows to desired position and press the button again to lock it. Simple as that. Now that limits are set, the device pairs instantly with Tuya app in a moment and you should have no problem using it with Tuya or voice automation. There's also RF 400 and it is 433 MHz remote which you can use with these. The only problem I've got with the remote, I can't really tell which side is up and which side is down because it looks almost the same. So yeah, that could change a little bit, I guess. It only takes a couple of seconds to set the verticals to the desired position, but there is something shady going on inside. It seems like there is a small Banshee trapped inside that screams on top of their lungs each time you press the button on the remote or invoke a voice command. I only wish that was slightly bit quieter. All that screaming from within comes with something positive, which is torque. This device has it plenty, so you shouldn't have any problems with massive windows. And last disadvantage, there is no separate controls for those tiny strings that meant to open the blinds and close the blinds fully, which is a bit of a shame because that would be perfect automating solution for your vertical blinds. Overall, the installation is very easy and it's so convenient just to sit on the sofa in my circumstances and cut off the light when I want to watch a bit of telly. Big thanks to Zemismart for sending me one of these for review, and if you want one yourself, there is a link in the description where you can get it. I guess I'll be enjoying this even though it sounds like a Banshee. If there was only a battery operated solution that What? Okay, I guess I do not have a posting schedule. If you want to find out what's so special about the other one, then it's probably best to follow me on the social media, because then you're gonna get a brilliant small notification telling you when the new article is out or even a video. You probably know how YouTube works, so take advantage of that if you fancy doing so. As for now guys, thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, bye!